Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about lesson 1 basic concept of chemistry and chemical calculation. In this lesson, we are going to see the topic redox reaction. Students, when an apple is cut, it turns brown after some time. Do you know the reason? Because it is a chemical reaction takes place. Some chemical reactions takes place. It is known as oxidation reaction. Not only oxidation taking place in apple, in daily life, for example, burning of LPG gas and rusting of iron and oxidation of carbohydrates, lipids into carbon dioxide as well as H2O and to produce energy in the living organism. These are all we are going to see. It's an oxidation reaction. And all oxidation reactions are accomplished by reduction reactions and vice versa. Such reactions are called redox reactions. So oxidation, whenever it is takes place, simultaneously the reduction is also takes place. So oxidation as well as reduction. So we have to say that is what redox reaction, that is what redox. RED means reduction and OX means what? Oxidation reaction. Simple thing, we are going to say addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation and reverse is called reduction. Simple thing, we are going to say what is oxidation as well as reduction. In this oxidation as well as reduction reaction, you are learned already in a 10th standard. What is meant by? So we can see three definitions for oxidation as well as reduction. Simple thing, what is meant by oxidation as well as reduction? Addition of oxygen and removal of oxygen. Second thing, oxidation, three definition: addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or loss of electron. These three things are known as oxidation. At the same time, reduction, what are the definition we can say? Removal of oxygen. It is removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen as well as gain of electron. These three definitions we can say reduction. These both reactions takes place. It is known as redox reaction. So simple thing you can say for oxidation reaction, Leo, and gain of electron we can say Ger. Leo is what? Simple thing you can identify. Loss of electron is known as oxidation. Ger is what? Gain of electron is known as reduction. These two reactions we can say redox reaction. So we can see some more example for this. The first one is, already we can say addition of oxygen. What is this? Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Removal of oxygen. So first thing, addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. See here, 4Fe3O2 and 2Fe2O3. This is what actually rusting of iron. This is example of rusting of iron. Isn't it? So what happened here? So iron combined with the oxygen, it releases Fe2O3. So addition of oxygen with the metal. This is what? Addition of oxygen. It means it is oxidation reaction. One more example we can see, H2S as well as Cl2. So the H2S releases hydrogen. Here removal of hydrogen. It becomes 2HCl and releases sulfur. So what happened here? Removal of hydrogen. This is also oxidation reaction. For the first definition, we can see it is what actually addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. These two are said to be oxidation reaction. One more example we can see for this. Here Fe2 plus and becomes Fe3 plus electrons. So here what? Loss of electron is known as oxidation. So these three definition we can see it is known as oxidation reaction. This is what actually addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Here removal of hydrogen. Here what? Loss of electron. Loss of electron is known as oxidation. And one more thing, what is meant by reduction? Reduction, oppositely we are going to take. What are the definition we are seeing for reduction reaction? Removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, gain of electron. These three definitions we are going to see now. See here, CuO and CO is what? Cupric oxide, and treated with the carbon, it becomes Cu plus CO. What happened here? The oxygen is released. So oxygen is combined with the oxygen, becomes CO. Here the first one, removal of oxygen takes place. So the first one, removal of oxygen, is known as reduction. One more example we can see. Sulfur will be treated with the hydrogen, it gives H2S. So what is the second definition? Addition of hydrogen. First one, removal of oxygen. See here, cupric oxide, carbon combined with the oxygen, carbon monoxide is formed. So here from the metal the oxygen is removed. So removal of oxygen is known as reduction. This is first definition. Second definition is what? Addition of hydrogen. So we shall write now addition of hydrogen. So sulfur treated with the hydrogen, so it's combined with the hydrogen, becomes H2S. Here addition of hydrogen is also known as reduction, right? Third one is what? Actually it's depend upon the electron. So see here, Cu2 plus, it is accepting electron. It means what? Gain of electron. It becomes copper metal. It is what? Gain of electrons. Gain of electron is also known as reduction reaction. First one is what? Removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen, and third one is, it is a gain of electron. Third example, what you are seeing here? Gain of electron. So the gain of electron is known as reduction. So three definitions we are seeing. So the whatever it may be, in each one reactions may be the addition reaction as well as the reduction reactions combined, it takes place, means it is known as redox reaction. It is known as redox reaction. Oxidation as well as redox reactions are not always associated with the oxygen or hydrogen. So depends upon the electron, addition of electron, loss of electron. It may be oxidation as well as redox reaction. This is said to be a redox reaction. The question may be asking, what are the difference between oxidation as well as reduction? And it is also said to be, what is meant by redox reaction. Understand, children? So we will see next topic in next class, children. Thank you.